好，咁啊，頭先抄完頁啦，咁啊識幾多呢？而家呢，我哋呢就做一做改正，麻煩呢代課老師呢俾翻個改正嘅 worksheet 佢哋。
Section A, fill in each blank with a, an, or cross. Number 1, an apple, A-I-O-U. Water, uncountable. Number 2, an honest boy, honest 呢個 H 呢係 no 生㗎，所以 honest， 所以呢係 an honest boy. Umbrella, umbrella, A-U-N, a glass of water. University, university 嗱呢個 U 呢就係發咗個U 生咁但係上面個 U 咧發咗umbrella， 咁所以上面咧係 an umbrella， 下邊university。A boy, Japan 名嚟㗎，乜都冇。A hamburger 漢堡夾包。Coffee 唔數得啦，所以都係冇㗎。好啦 ，Section B, fill in each blank with a, an, the or cross。嗱呢個 part 咧深少少啦，咁啊嚟啦 ，Christmas is coming， 好啦 ，Christmas 咁啊名嚟噶嘛，你見到啦 ，Christmas is coming。Do you have any plans? I want to have a Christmas party。嗱佢講個 party 噶，Christmas party。Do you have time to come? Time 時間唔數得噶，所以 Do you have time to come？When do you want to have the party？ 嗱呢度用 the 嘅點解咧？佢指翻呢一個 party。你話嗰個聖誕 party the party。When do you want to have the party？ Are you free on Christmas Day? Great, I think I can come. I want to make cupcakes。嗱呢個咧，就算你唔識解都見到啦，中數啊嘛。I want to make cupcakes. I love cupcakes.How do you make them？ 點整㗎？ It's easy. If you want, we can make them together. What about drinks? Do you want apple juice? Juice 唔數得㗎喎，咁所以就咁。Do you want apple juice? Orange juice, please. 呢度係咪以為呢啲係 cross 咧 ？Apple juice that I bought 嗱，留意啦，呢度係 the apple juice that I bought last week was sour。好啦，嗱留意啦 ，that I bought last week。呢一個呢，就係話我上個禮拜買嘅 apple juice 係指哪一個？我上一個禮拜買嗰個 apple juice was too sour， 咁所以呢度用 the 嗱，記得要大階啊嚇。The apple juice. Maybe we should invite Tracy to come. What do you think? I think Tracy is free. Let's send an email A-U, to invite her. It will be an amazing party.好，咁啊，大家啱咗幾多題呢？嗱，都唔緊要啦，我哋仲有時間溫熟啲嘅。好，咁咧，而家咧，你哋要將呢個 quiz 嘅 correction 嘅 worksheet 傳翻上嚟，交翻俾代課老師。好啦，咁啊，講到嚟呢度，下個禮拜咧，我哋就會見噶啦。有咩唔明咧，可以問我嘅。好，咁啊，大家加油啦！星期一見，拜拜。